Hey everyone, so today we'll be having a look at our Kucoin exchange, a DCA bot that's running, as well as our spot GridBot. What has been happening with the two? We'll also be looking at Shiba Inu's price action, since Shiba Inu is the coin we're trading for this in the spot GridBot. But before we get to that, let's have a look at Kucoin. It has done over $1 billion in trading volume in the last 24 hours. We already know Kucoin is an exchange, but the one thing we never know is who is the founders, who is behind it. Kucoin was co-founded by Michael Gann, Eric Don, Tom Land, King Lee, John Lee, Zach Zhu, and Linda Lin in 2013. Michael Gann and Eric Don wrote the first pieces of code for Kucoin in the cafe. Until 2020, Gann served as CEO. Before Johnny Liu took over as the current CEO. Michael Gann graduated from Chengdu University, computer software engineer, and started his path as a developer at Mike CRM, Yulin, and Missy ICU. He worked with microservices, accumulating experience in DevOps and Agile development. Gann was a technical expert and finance, developed financial solutions, and was a senior partner at KF5.com. Eric Don graduated from the University of Electronic Science and Technology of China with a bachelor's degree in network engineering. Prior to founding Kucoin, Eric had worked in the IT industry as a senior IT partner to Yolin.com, Kite Me, and Reynolds. When did Kucoin launch? The exchange officially launched in 2017, 5 years ago, and with a immaculate track record. Kucoin's link will be down in the description. It's easy to use and I'm enjoying it. Let's have a look at Shiba Inu, which we're trading. Shiba Inu is currently trading at 0.00001205 of a cent. The current price action or the live price action for Shiba. The live Shiba Inu price today is 0.000012 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $333 million. We update our SHIB to USD price in real time. Shiba Inu is down 2.22% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is 14th. With a live market cap of over $6.6 billion, it has a circulating supply of a massive amount of coins. But Shiba Inu do have a burn mechanism, which makes it a deflationary coin. If you would like to know where to buy Shiba Inu at the current rate, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading Shiba Inu stock are currently Kucoin is 1, Binance, OKX, PingG, MXC, and Bybit. But let's get to the trading bots and see what is our update, what has been happening. Looking at Kucoin trading bots, 9.25 million bots created worldwide using the Kucoin exchange. They give different options: the spot grid, the future grid, the smart rebalance, the DCA bot, and the infinity bot. Now we'll be looking at the DCA to see what happened. As we can see, shortly after our previous video, our bot closed in profit already. So we'll cancel this bot and we'll create a new bot. We'll go down to our DCA bot, create bot. We did BNB the previous time. This time we'll do Shiba Inu to run alongside our spot grid bot. Shiba Inu, we're going to invest every day. We're going to start right now. We're going to do our dollar investment today. We're not going to have a max investment. It can just keep on running. And we'll put our profit target at 10%. And once the target is reached, notify and sell positions. The reason why I like to sell my positions is I'm accumulating US dollar. So I keep on growing and building my account. As we confirm, we can click correct, confirm, and our bot is underway. Our Shiba Inu bot is running. Our first investment is in. Our dollar a day. Let's see how long it's going to take to give us profit, or how long before we get out of this slump after a dump. Let's have a look at our spot GridBot. I got multiple bots running, as you can see, and they're giving decent profits of the grid, buying and selling. Overall, unrealized potential profits is down, but it's not a worry since I've set up my Shiba Inu and all my bots for long term. We've put max amount in of $86 into the Shiba Inu to make sure and see if we can get going with a small amount. We can look at our trading ranges, which is very small as well. So let's put in our trading ranges to just show how our setup is. Our setup is a long-term setup, so we're gonna leave the market and let it just keep on running and building around. Our lowest is 50457. Our highest is 0.000618. We can put a maximum of 100. As you can see, we have a massive range we're trading our Shiba Inu in, giving us the opportunity to keep on building and growing our potential returns. The bot has been running for 9 days. This is 9 days since our previous video. $86. Our grid profits was 0.19. Now if we bring in the calculator and do regular math, we put in 86.09 times 0.19. That means that's 0.22% profit on the amount. Where or which bank can currently offer you this? I'm not worried about this profit. I'm just going to let this run and keep on going and see how much grid profit I can get out of this setup. I wanted to keep on building and keep on growing. Now leave me your thoughts regarding the DCA and spot bot down in the comments. Will Financials, a financial ecosystem to grow, manage and preserve wealth, a unique crypto project with the most innovative decentralized financial ecosystem that's going to revolutionize the blockchain space. The 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙑 will serve as the first step to your new financial future. A bridge between the traditional and emerging crypto economy. Will Financial aims to become the bridge between the traditional financial world and crypto economy, offering traditional financial instruments while also offering a host crypto income generating assets. And currently, Will Financial is having their pre-sale on 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙑. Link will be down in the description. Make sure to get some of the 𝙏𝙗𝙑 tokens because the tokenomics and everything around this company is something unique, something we haven't seen before. And for that reason, I've bought myself some tokens. Don't miss out on this pre-sale, which is closing pretty soon. It might be the opportunity of the year. Enjoy the extreme crypto gains. Have a good one.